kids. I am your teacher JoJo. Today we are going to read the ing words. Sing. Sing. Very good. King. Again. King. Very good. Ring. Again. Ring. Very good. Wing. Again. Wing. Very good. Sting. Again. Sting. Very good. Swing. Again. Swing. Very good. Ping. Again. Ping. Very good. Sing, ring, wing, king, swing, sting. Very good. Now it's ink words. Let's begin. Ink, stink. Again. Ink, sink. Very good. Ink, wink. Again. Ink, wink. Very good. Ink, link. Again. Ink, link. Very good. Ink, pink. Again. Ink, pink. Very good. Ink. Again. Ink. Very good. Ink, drink. Again. Ink, drink. Very good. Stink. Again. Stink. Now let's repeat the sentence. Think, wink, think, link, drink, stink. Very good. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye.